trading like a serious career or like a side hobby that you try sometimes? Because this one difference decides who become professional and who stays stuck forever. In this episode, I'll show you how real traders build careers. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wednesday Moves. This is episode 24 of our complete trading education series. Until now, you have learned about systems, mindset, and risk. Today, we bring everything together and talk about how to turn trading into a structured and long term profession. Why most traders never go pro? Most traders never become professionals because they never create structure. They trade randomly, skip reviews, and avoid planning. Without systems, growth is impossible. Trading as a business. Professionals treat trading like a business. They have processes, documentation, and objectives. Every decision is a part of a bigger plan, not an emotional reaction. Shifting from amateur to a professional. The biggest shift is mental. You stop chasing excitement and start valuing consistency. Discipline becomes more important than profit. Creating a trading business plan. Every professional trader works with a plan. It defines goals, risk limits, growth targets, and long term expectations. This plan guides decisions. Defining your role. As a trader, you play multiple roles. You are an analyst, a risk manager, and an executor. Professionals respect each role. Building daily workflows. Successful traders follow daily routines. Preparation, execution, and review are done systematically. Consistency builds mastery. Time management. The professionals protect their time. They avoid overtrading, reduce distractions, and focus only on high quality setups. Financial planning. Career traders separate personal and trading finances. They maintain emergency funds and control expenses. Stability supports performance. Performance benchmarks. Progress is measured through benchmarks. Monthly, quarterly, and yearly reviews reveal strengths and weaknesses. Continuous skill development. Markets evolve constantly. Professionals study, adapt, and upgrade systems regularly. Learning never stops. Building professional records. Journals, statistics, and reports create accountability. Data protects objectivity. Every career faces slow periods. Professionals stay patient, refine skills, and they trust the process. Professionals learn selectively. They avoid noise and focus only on quality information. Ethics and responsibility. Honest trading builds long term reputation. No shortcuts, no manipulation, and no false promises. Health, balance, and stress management are part of professional success. Burnout ends careers. Trading becomes a career only when you treat it like one. Many people try trading, very few commit to mastering it. If you're serious about building a professional future, subscribe and continue this journey with me. We are building a real career here step by step. See you in the next episode of Wednesday Moves.